Hello, in this video, we will guide you through customizing your menu efficiently. Let's get started. From your dashboard, go to the Menus section and click Create New Menu to add a new menu, such as a breakfast menu. In the Name section, enter the name for your menu. Then add description. For example, you can add a note like Available for dine-in only. To restrict the menu, click on Conditions and set the order times when the menu will be available. You can choose whether the menu is available for immediate orders or late orders. Leave empty for the menu to apply at all times. You can also set the service type restrictions, whether the menu is available for pickup, delivery, or dine-in. You can also add time slots and set which hours the menu will be available for. If no hours entered, the menu is applicable at all times. Or enable age restrictions if applicable. Toggle on Hide Unavailable Menu if you want to hide the menu in your store, if it's unavailable. Otherwise, this menu will still be displayed with a warning message that it is not available. Once you've set everything up, simply click Save. Next is adding categories. Categories help organize your menu. To create a category, click Create New Category, then enter the name such as Side Dishes, then add description. Under Conditions, restrict categories by service type and applicable hours if needed. Enable Hide Unavailable Category if you want to hide the category if it's unavailable. Once set, click Save. Next, click Create New Item to create an actual dish. Items can be of two types, standard and combo. Let's use a standard item for now. Then add the name of the dish, the price, and the description. We will cover all item options in a separate video. Once everything is set, hit Save. To modify an item, select the item and choose an action from the Item Actions. From there, you can mark the temporarily unavailable items No Stock or hide the dish to remove it from the menu without deleting it. Click Available to make the item orderable again. Or delete the item to permanently remove it. You can also pause the item to temporarily disable it, then resume it later. If you want to update multiple item prices at once, click Edit Prices, then make changes. Once you are done, hit Save. To change the order of menus, categories, or items, click Rearrange. Drag the menu, category, or items into place, then click Save. If your dishes have modifiers like add-ons, extras, etc., this is where you set them in Options Sets. It lets customers customize their orders, such as choosing the pizza base, toppings, and more. In the next video, we'll go over all the settings and the option sets, so make sure to stay tuned. Do you want to highlight special attributes of your dishes, like spicy or gluten-free? Click Item Tags, then click Create New Item Tag. Add the name, add the display text, and adjust the colors. Attach the tag to the relevant items. Then click Save. Here's how the item tags look on the front end. You've now learned how to manage your menu, add items and categories, and apply item tags. Keeping your menu organized is simple with these steps. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on managing your platform efficiently.